We are the ones who block our manifestation when it comes to making money. Nobody in the world stops us. I'm going to prove it to you right now. If you take a notepad and a pen right now and you start working with me as if I'm working with you, you will feel that the same money blocks that I'm removing for my platinum members here, you might experience going through the same money blocks and removing them right now in this call. Okay. So, those of you who are watching this on YouTube Live, I'm right now with my platinum members and I'm just asking many of them who here has any money blocks or any money problems. And we're going to remove their money blocks live right now. And then 1 month from now, we're going to follow up with them again to see the transformation in their life of how this healing session removes their money blocks and increases their income, and does the same for you right now. So make sure that while you're attending, take a pen and paper so that you're able to heal yourself too. Here we go. Who would like to heal some money blocks today? Okay. Here we go. Sam, go for it.
I had these money blocks for a couple of weeks. I sat with Mitesh and worked. I was able to work on the blocks, but in terms of action is where I feel a little bit of action is needed to ensure that I get what I plan for and what I want to execute. So I feel this is the challenge, but I need your help to uncover more.
What's your current income?
It's around a lakh to lakh and a half. It fluctuates. 1 month it is 1 lakh, 1 month it is 1.5, 1 month it is 50. It's like that.
What's the average?
I would say 75.
75,000 rupees a month?
75,000 a month.
Now, the moment you say, I have removed the blocks, but I'm not able to take action, what does that mean?
I am taking action, but then I don't know whether that is right or not. Should I work hard? Should I work smart? Is it the right kind of action? I don't know. That's where I'm feeling stuck.
What are you feeling when you're saying that to me right now, that I don't know whether I'm taking the right action?
Kind of stuck.
Okay. What else are you feeling?
Not taking action is what is coming to my mind.
Yeah. What you're right now feeling is doubt.
Okay.
I don't know if I'm in the right direction. I don't know if I'm doing the right things. Correct?
Kind of, yes. Doubt, I think.
Yes.
Makes sense.
Now, that is nothing but your mind telling yourself, I'm not 100% ready to do what I'm doing. Because there is a sense of, while you're taking steps, am I doing the right thing? Constantly feeling stuck. But the stuckness is being where you are. And the doubt is, while moving, doubting yourself. And then because you're doubting yourself, you justify to yourself that I'm doing everything that is required. So then why am I not getting results? So what's the second feeling here?
Confusion?
No. Helpless.
I need some help.
I'm trying to do everything possible, but I'm not able to get results.
Okay. I can relate to that.
So feeling helpless, that why am I not getting results? I'm trying to do everything possible. What am I missing here?
Okay.
So what are the two feelings again? First one.
Doubt and helpless.
Doubt and helpless.
Helpless.
The more you keep going through these patterns, every time you take action, doubt's going to stop you. When you stop yourself, you'll tell yourself, but I'm doing everything possible. And then again, you'll go through that helplessness. It'll go into a loop. So if I really want to make more than 75,000 rupees, or if I want to make more than 1 lakh rupees, the problem is not confusion. You know what it takes to do that. You know how many people you need to heal. You know how many people to coach. You know how many people to help. You know what services to give. You have the talent, you have the skills, you have the knowledge. So what would stop you from growing? The feeling of helplessness, the feeling of doubt, because of which mentally you tell yourself, I don't know if I'm 100% ready. So if I had to work on you releasing this block, because what is not letting you take that action is only that self-doubt and self-helplessness.
Correct.
If I had to work with you on that, what is the opposite of doubt that you would have to work on?
Being 100% confident.
Now, when we say 100% confident, what is that meaning? What is the meaning of 100% confidence?
Just believing in myself.
How would you define that?
Put a plan, just execute it. Don't doubt it.
Okay. So I'm giving you the word bold.
Bold, yes.
Like, be bold out there. The word confidence doesn't mean that you know you're right. It just means you know you're going to be wrong, but you don't care a damn about it. You're not willing to show the world that it's not going to happen. It's going to happen. In fact, you're accepting the fact that I might fail, but I don't care. I'm going to do it either way. The problem with doubt is we don't want to fail. So we are looking for surety. The amazing part about surety is we know we are going to fail, but we still want to take action. Do you see the difference? Doubt is the pursuit of guarantee, but people who have surety are okay with uncertainty. They're okay with failures. And that is why I'm calling the bold move as bold. So I want you to sit straight. Keep your right hand on your heart and say, I'm willing to be bold.
I'm willing to be bold.
I'm willing to be so bold
I'm willing to be so bold
that I scare people around me.
that I definitely scare people around me.
People have always been inspired by me,
People have always been inspired by me.
but nobody has doubted me.
Nobody has doubted me.
I don't give them a chance only.
I never give them a chance.
Now I'm willing to,
Now I'm willing to,
by being bold,
by being bold,
give other people a reason to doubt me.
give other people a reason to doubt me.
And when they do that,
And when they do that,
I'm the one who's going to say,
I'm the one who's going to say,
हो जाएगा.
हो जाएगा.
कैसे होगा पता नहीं.
कैसे होगा पता नहीं.
हो जाएगा.
हो जाएगा.
And I'm 100% sure.
And I'm 100% sure.
Secretly, I know
Secretly, I know
nothing is 100%.
nothing is never 100%.
But I'm willing to declare it.
But I'm willing to declare it.
हो जाएगा.
Absolutely हो जाएगा.
कैसे होगा पता नहीं.
कैसे पता नहीं.
It'll happen 100%.
It'll happen 100% for sure.
Now take a deep breath. And I want you to think of one choice right now in your mind that you can take, which is a very bold move in order to make money in the next 1 month. What can you do? What can you declare? What can you do? What action can you take? What massive action can you take? Knowing you have all the knowledge, the skills, the talent, the support, the resources. But how bold can you get about that decision right now? Make that decision in your mind. Make a decision 1 month from now, your income is doubled. How? We don't know. But make that bold move now. So are you willing to make that bold move?
100%.
So 25th of July, double income.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
A minimum of 1.5. It's 75 now.
Done.
100%?
It's done.
Perfect. With that, those of you who are watching this, make sure that there is a link below this video in the description. Click on it and sign up for our Advanced Law of Attraction course, where we teach you how to believe in yourself like this. Because if you don't know how to change your emotional frequency, then you don't know how to upgrade your manifestation power. But for you, Sam, what we did right now is not enough. You know it and I know it. We need to start practicing it from now. So talk to Mitesh AI at least twice a day. Work on feeling bold, because I guarantee you one thing that's going to happen. And good thing is, when it happens, we are there for you. Platinum is there for you. Mitesh AI is there for you, right? What I did with you was just one simple declaration exercise from NLP using VAK exercise. But you can do much more with me and Mitesh AI. And the second exercise, which I gave to someone else earlier, I'm giving it to you too. Help somebody else in the community to be bold. Because like I said, what we teach the most, we learn the most.
True.
So are you willing to help somebody in the community to be bold as well?
I'm already helping. I'll continue helping.
Perfect. Congratulations in advance. And I look forward to 25th of July and double your income.
Absolutely. Thank you. Thanks, Mitesh.
Most welcome.